Okay, here is Ripstick Skateboarding, and I really love it. So, this is key to skating. Headphones, yeah, and light up shoes. So if you step on it in the middle, that was graceful. So we are in beautiful Florida, and it's raining outside, of course. You get on the board with the 1 foot in front. You hear yourself a good stance there, where you can stand on it by itself. And then you go. Whee! Got my foot over the wheel, in the center, and then I can lift with that, make sure that it's balanced by itself, that I'm on that wheel and over it, and then I can bring the other foot. Okay? So once you can do that, then you go. Whee! But that's kind of tricky, and you have to go with momentum forward. Super fun, and I suggest it. And how you stop is you just lean your feet forward on the wheels. So you're on it, and then you stop like this by just putting your foot forward. All right. It's so much fun, and it takes a lot of practice, and you'll love it after you get it. Me starting at a gym really helped, and holding the walls, and I absolutely love it. So much fun. Alright, rock stars. We're gonna skate, and that's about it. There we go, right there. The sweet spot. And then push off and go. Okay, so here it is. You're like surfing on land. So that's super fun. And this is how you can look stupid doing anything. That's Ripstick Skateboarding, and I love it so much. The cops came at night tonight, which doesn't make any sense because it's supposed to be open this late, but okay. So we're gonna go and rock on another time. Alright, bye.